about yourself.
Hot dog lady. Hot dog lady from Newark, New Jersey. I grew up in Newark, New Jersey. I went to Avon Avenue, and my hot dog cart and trailer is in Newark on Brigham and Madison, within not even 2 blocks from the elementary school that I graduated from. See?
How long you been doing this?
I started in 2012. Originally started in 2012.
2012?
Yeah.
Tell us about some of the challenges of being an entrepreneur here in Newark, New Jersey.
Some of the challenges with being an entrepreneur, period, is keeping your faith. Once you have your faith and consistency, everything else will be smooth. But you just can't never give up.
Tell us about your menu.
Woo! My menu is all my pregnancy toppings. So I change them on everything that I used to eat when I was pregnant, and how you ever have a family member that popped the most crack at a cookout, watch how they eat. So that's how my toppings came about. But every exotic topping I have is all for my pregnancy cravings.
Question: what's the biggest order you had to fill?
Oh. The biggest order? Oh. These kids came from Verona, and they wanted 70 hot dogs with ketchup and mustard.
70 hot dogs.
Ketchup and mustard, but they came like a regular customer and requested 70 hot dogs.
At one time.
At one
Wow.
time.
Wow, so it wasn't like a call-in order.
No,
They
it was
just
not a
showed up.
call-in order. It was a show up. For just ketchup and mustard.
All right, last question. What am I buying here? What's the choice that you selected for me?
Today is the bust your ass. And that's mustard, ketchup, chili cheese, and home fries.
The bust your ass. She didn't say bust your ass. She said bust your ass.
Bust your ass, because when you eat it, it's going to push you down. You're going to be very relaxed.
This is spicy too,
It's
y'all.
going to pull you up for the rest of the day. If you eat one, you're going to be satisfied. If you eat two, it's over. You ain't going to want nothing else to eat.
All you need is one.
All you need is one.
Vegetarian sweet bean.
Yes, yes.
Look,
You
we
like
about to
that?
go in, y'all. We about to go in.
Mustard and ketchup?
We're going in. We're
That's
going
it?
in. We're
Yeah.
going
Pour
in.
it out.
What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are here on this ice cold day in Newark, New Jersey. I'm at the hot dog lady truck, y'all. And look what I got. Look what I got. Look what I got. Look what I got. I'm about to get down, y'all. This is called the bust your ass. Here we go, y'all, right here. That's a grilled hot dog right there, y'all. This is a delicious, spicy hot dog from the hot dog lady. It's the first time I ever been here, y'all. I've driven by a lot of times, had to check it out. There's peppers, potatoes. What else I see on here? Mustard. This is delicious. I'm definitely coming back. Y'all want to come check out the hot dog lady. The bread is so fresh too, delicious. Hold on, let me wipe my mouth. This was definitely worth coming out in the cold and getting a delicious hot dog. This is so special today. The bust your ass. This Mad DV had to get a quickie from the hot dog lady. Signing off. See you guys at the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this. We traveling with eating. Hot dog lady, Bergen Street, Madison, Newark, New Jersey. Peace.